Hey there, guys. Good morning, y'all. Well, we're off for another ride today. Beautiful day, probably 12 degrees. You know, for once, I'm not pumping in bird sounds. There actually is birds here. Just so beautiful. So let's get my TriRide all put together and let's go on a ride.
Hey everybody, my name is Andrew Avley. After a workplace accident, I was left as a above-knee amputee. I had a decision to make. Get busy living or get busy dying. Obviously, you only have one life, so I made a decision to get busy living, exploring every opportunity that's presented to me. Tune in every week for different adventures, both from accessibility standpoint
To adventures with my family and friends.
and every adventure begins with one leg at a time.
Okay, as you can see, I've got the TriRide put together and I'm going for a ride here. So. It's a warmer day, but you know what? When I get going faster, I'm going to put my tuque on. So I can take my hat off, put my tuque on, my tuque, so I look like a biker dude. Get my gloves out. There's my gloves. My nice duct tape job of my heavy duty biker gloves. And I'll pull up to the van here and I'll put my leg in the van and we will take off on this new adventure, wherever that may be. Turn it on. It's not coming on. It says the battery's dead. Now what do I do? I'm all set up here, ready to go. Perfect day out. I think I have an idea. Just hold on a second. Let me see if I got a solution for this. Take my gloves off. Sure, there's other people in this park, so you might hear brakes leaving. Let's see. Open up old Grover here and see what's inside. I think this will work. At least, I hope this will work. See. These are my Phuket. Put these on. I figure Edison can do it. I can do it.
Edison's the first Canadian manufacturer of hybrid electric logging trucks. So this truck here is what they call Topsy. It's really, really cool technology. What it does is it uses batteries to climb a hill, and then on the way down from the weight of the logs, the truck actually recharges itself. So it's a really cool technology there, and they're BC made, and they're made from about 45 minutes from my house. So it's really, really cool, and I'd love to meet them one day.
Let's go like this. Let's go around the wheelchair. We even have a safety chain like a normal trailer. Okay. Next thing, we make sure it's going to reach. So there. Yeah, it'll reach. So let's try this here. Let's see, fuel on, turn the key. Grumpy hasn't been out all winter. This is environmentally safe, right? Put the choke off. Let it run for a minute. Put it on silent mode so nobody knows that we're a hybrid wheelchair. Plug the charger in. Turn the outlets on. Plug the charger in. Charger lights up. Next thing is, let's take our leg off. Balance very carefully. Close the door. And it should work. We've had it charging for a minute. And now we will turn it on and go for a ride. Full bars. Wonder what gear we should be in. I'll start off at first. Maybe we got a little bit late. I'll put off top. See you later, guys.
We better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88. Roads? Well, we're going. We don't need roads.